Test, test. All right, there we go. It wasn't working. You guys should be able to hear me. Let's see if we can get Robin. What? I just looked for a second and AMC ripped up to 48.70s and I look back and it's coming down. Today I think is going to be a pretty pivotal moment or day for AMC. If we can, we need to hold like 47 level actually, guys. Because then if it comes down to retest EMA or under 45, then that hints to me that next week might be more blood. Let's see if Rob's on. Damn. So usually at market open we see a pretty decent spike, pretty decent rally. No news? No, right? Oh, Melvin ended the first half of 2021 with a 46% loss on GameStop. Jeez. All right, we're gonna have Rob on right now. He says he needs to reboot up his computer, but I thought he never turned off his computer. Alrighty. I love messing with them. Alright, let's see a rebound, man. Let's see a rebound. GameStop at least is trying to rebound here at 190. It's been a while. Let's check Twitter. What's trending on Twitter? July 9th? Trump. Steve Wozniak. What's going on, Morantz? I eat chicken. Aaron. Stephen Miller. Oh, you guys remember yesterday morning how I was like, oh, there was like this little earthquake yesterday in the morning? Well, like 7 hours later, there was another 6.0 earthquake in Northern California in the Bay Area. It was probably a little foreshadowing. There's that rebound on AMC, 47.70 to 48.57. So we're still green on the day for AMC. I'd say a 47 hold is pretty nice. If we can hold 47 today, next week is being set up for a 50 move. Or maybe we even see a 50 move today. I know we've been kind of seeing resistance there at 49.99. That's what we mentioned in yesterday's video. Usually when a stock comes under a support level, 200 being for GameStop and 50 being for AMC, that tends to act as resistance, and that's something we've been seeing as of yesterday and today. What's going on, Nathan? Let's see Tesla. What are we doing for Tesla coming down? By the way, Virgin Galactic, they have their flight on Sunday. On Sunday. So this stock is literally gonna either gap up hard or probably gap down hard on Monday. Good morning. Hey, coach, your broadcast showed up in my suggestion this morning. Probably YouTube's be nice to us now. Get ready for the big one. I'm ready, baby. Morning, Jolly. Let's see if we could get Mr. Rob on. What is going on, AMC? What are you doing? We have aggressiveness on the way up and down. Look at the aggressiveness on this candle, followed by a vice versa red candle coming down. This is interesting. Ralph, any ideas about why there are zero options available Friday the 13th? For what, August? Or does that fall in August, right? Yeah, August 13 for AMC and GameStop. It's also the first anniversary of Ryan Coin, first buying GameStop. I have not heard of that. I wouldn't have any idea actually, honestly. August 13. Give me 1 second. Rob's calling me. Oh wait, hold on. Let me fix you. Um, talk now. Hello. You're coming out of my PC, not my headset. Let me see. How about now? Damn. Give me 1 second, guys. Try now. Hello. Test test. What?
I don't know. It's on your end, dude. I'm talking to you.
Line Astro Mix Amp. I could hear you on hold on, I could barely hear you because I have my headset on. I don't know why my PC does this or the OBS software. Test. Damn. Well, I won't know if I can set it up because I have it like I usually do. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to see. Try now.
3, 4.
No, it's still not working. I'm literally putting every little output that I can select. Headset. Let me disconnect my headset. All right, try now. Hello? You got it?
Test one, two,
There we
three,
go.
four.
I think we got it. I think we fixed it, baby. All you gotta do
Garth
is
is
unplug
having
it.
such a good time.
Can
He's
you guys
having
hear
so
Rob?
much fun with this. Good morning, everybody. Oh, good Lord.
When in doubt, just unplug it. All right. What was the options, right? So I wouldn't have any idea. Do you have any idea, Rob? Why?
Actually, I think Morantz has gone. I think he's on the right track right there because that's when 007 is going to go active.
Oh, he has an echo? Oh my gosh. Let me see.
It ain't on my end. I'm on my phone.
He sounds like God. Wait, talk?
Test one, two, three,
That's so
four.
weird. He's speaking and it comes out of. Okay, wait. Try now. The echo's gone for sure.
Okay, so you just disconnected reverb or something?
Yeah, I had two outputs open.
Yeah.
That's why the echo. Can you
Oh,
can you
good
have
Lord.
um I mean last time we were speaking, I mean we had some pretty I mean even just with the AGM on GameStop, we were at 350. Now we're right back down to 200. What has changed?
Um, Absolutely nothing. There's no shares. There's no interest. There's no nothing. Uh, there's no retail buying power. I mean, everybody's bought what they can. They're buying as they can, but it doesn't equate to a whole lot of volume. There's nothing. There's no volume there, so it's going to run sideways.
And I think that's just true for as well as AMC, right? That's like the same boat. Like the volume
Well,
has been kind of diminishing and obviously it's
that announcement by Adam Aaron the other day, not even seeking the 25 million, I think is a mistake. And yeah, I know the AMC guys don't want any more dilution, but Jesus, that 25 million was nothing, and they're going to need them. They're going to need the money. I
I,
did like seeing what they were talking about on that what is it, UFC? They're going to live stream it, live it,
oh yeah.
showed it. I think that is a good branch out for them.
I think that gives us like a little insight of what's possible for theaters, you know? Like they're finally thinking outside the box. I feel like we had this
Absolutely.
conversation like a month ago, like why don't they do stuff like this? And I think they're testing it because I think it's only 95 locations. And
Oh
somebody,
Jesus, we've been talking about it. We've been talking about it since January.
yeah, and someone from our Discord is actually going to one of them. So it's a DZ. He's in Texas, by the way. He was in Texas. So I'm kind of curious to see how his experience is and his little feedback. But
Well, it's also, I mean, not only are they charging, they're charging less than the pay-per-view,
right.
but what I also think they're going to up their prices on their food stuff, their concessions, or maybe hit that with a little bit of a premium. And they need to be making money. They need to make money quick, so. And I think where you're going to see those, you said 95, I think you said. I think where you're going to see that is probably where they have the full type restaurant concessions,
Bars.
Yeah,
Yeah, because they're competing with sports bars. I mean, what was it? The pay-per-view was a $75, and they're doing it
right.
for 25. So seems like a deal to
Yeah,
me, you know.
right. And if you can sell food and drink, oh yeah, they're gonna make some good bank on that.
And that's where most of their profit comes, the concessions,
Right.
right?
Yeah. And if they can fill one theater, you know, then and there's still demand, then yeah, you're just seriously looking for some good profit margins, no matter how much they have to share with the UFC or whoever's the promoter is. I think they're going to be doing really good if they keep this up. And look at them recovering as we're talking about all of
Yeah,
this
it's
stuff.
coming up. Oh, 6.2 earthquake strikes Minahasa, Sulawesi, Indonesia. Ooh, California next.
No,
Tsunami.
just a tidal wave that comes in, tsunami.
We're gonna become an island out here in Cali. Tesla forms death cross,
I
50-day
hope
moving average below 200. What?
I hope California becomes a coral reef. Forget an island.
John says I was just thinking about going there too. Well, I don't know about now, man. There's earthquakes everywhere right now.
Where, California or Indonesia?
Everywhere.
Oh, Darth, come on, dude.
All right, nice recovery to 48. Ah, man. Tesla formed a death cross, huh? I don't have that EMA set up or whatever indicator they're using. Check out Carve. Yeah, I had a Carve alert yesterday on the way up and it got alerted. Oh no. No way, but this actually came down yesterday into close. I had it at right around 30, 33. So it's coming back to the highs. It's like what, 7 cents away from the highs, which I believe it got halted if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it got halted.
Wow, chicken. You earned yourself a free timeout. Good boy.
Yeah, it's halted. Mike, thank you for the dono. California is going to be like Kurt Russell movie Escape from LA. I've always loved those movies like the San Andreas. Have you guys seen that one? The San Andreas one with The Rock. It's just so realistic and it just makes you think.
Hold on, back up. Was he still the Rock? Was he still being titled as the Rock when that came out, or was it Dwayne Johnson? I'm pretty sure he
Dwayne
stopped.
Johnson.
There
Well,
you go.
yeah, it got
And
halted.
he's got some movies where where he's going, where he's called the Rock, but now it's mostly seen, as
Dwayne
Dwayne Johnson.
Johnson.
Yeah.
4860 recovery on AMC. So it's holding the 47 level. That's a good sign. If we can hold 47, man, I think next week should be a recovery. Retest 53, possibly. He has been the Rock forever.
He's got more than one dad. Oh Lord, how's that possible?
You think they're gonna have a successful flight on Sunday with Virgin Galactic and Branson?
Are you asking me or the crowd? Because I don't really give a damn.
I thought you would want to go up there.
Oh hell no! Why would I go up there for like a 15-minute? Oh
I
boy,
think it's like
I made suborbital. Bullshit. I want orbital.
I think it's even less than 15 minutes. I think it's like 5 minutes. And
And
it's at the end of the where Earth meets the atmosphere or whatever the space. It's called the Karman line, I think. Like 60
I
miles, I
think it's
believe, something like
actually,
that.
I don't know, is it at it or below it?
It's right in between. It's like it's
Because I want to do orbital. I mean, if they're going to do anything, it'd be orbital. Orbital. That way, you'd actually have some time to maybe, oh, I don't know, unstrap from your seat and float, and be able to experience, lack of gravity.
mhm. Stratosphere.
But I just don't think. I don't even think it's worth it.
What were the tickets going for? Which ones were the ones that were going for millions? Was that with Amazon, right? Bezos and Origin, Blue Origin.
I believe it was. Yeah, that one went for like 13 million or some shit like
Hmm.
that. Yeah.
And that's Richard Branson beat him actually 9 days before. That's impressive.
Yeah, but I don't even. I don't know that. I don't know that the altitude they're going to counts as space flight.
I don't know that actually.
I think it's like 22 or 25 miles. You know, and you get your astronaut wings. I think.
Morning, Skoogs. I thought this was AMC stock for a second. Let's go back to AMC. Stormy Daniels, who is that? July 9. Wendy Williams. Oh, Stormy. She's trending on Twitter. I wonder why.
Oh, probably because Trump is suing everybody under the sun, you know, Twitter and all of that. So
Facebook. I think
she's got to get her, yeah, she's got to get her name back out there.
I think he even said YouTube too. Branson's wife said she won't mourn him if something happens to him. Really?
Oh, damn, that's harsh.
Oh
Oh,
wow,
that's
that's cool.
harsh.
That's cold.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the Carmen line, something like that. 62 miles above the planet's surface. Come on, AMC, don't come down on us like that.
Well, we stopped talking about it.
Did you see Diddy and how Kramer was just screaming buy 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 as much as you can and it just tanked?
I haven't been watching TV much. I've been dealing with the ex's house.
All
So,
right.
yeah, so I've been over there the last couple of days trying to get cameras working and alarm system back online.
Yeah, because I know you like watching CNBC.
I don't like it. It's just I know what to expect out of them
Hmm. Like what I found interesting was that you actually read the little taper or it has
all the
the
time. Yeah,
yeah.
all the damn
That's why
time.
when I was out there in Texas with you, you were reading the taper. I was like, interesting. I've never paid attention to a taper like that.
Well, it helps identify stuff that's going on. Uh, and if I see a ticker pop up that I haven't ever seen before, I look into the company and see if it's might be something I like.
Yeah, because we brought up a couple stocks that weekend or that week just
Yeah,
off the
yeah.
taper itself. Carve hit 42. Damn, I can't believe it's going to 50.
Good God, Angry Garden Gnome. I can't have a life aside from Discord and YouTube, really?
Kramer tweeted, "Whatever it turns out, I saved people money as I did when I said to sell GameStop at $400 from my hospital bed. How in heck can people be upset about a call to get out 50% ago? The answer? They aren't. They know I'm not out to take their money." AMC coming down to the double bottoms at 46.60. Just went red on the. Oh, it's already red on the day again. So it's battling in between green and red. Let's see. Let's keep a lookout on Carve. Let's not let this out of our sight. Is it still going to hit a new high? 42.50s.
Everybody, well, most everybody hates uh, Jim Shill, whatever the hell his name is.
Jimmy Chill.
That's it, Jimmy Shill.
If you can ask him one question, what would it be?
Who?
Jimmy Chill.
I would just make a request of him. Please die.
Whoa. Andrew Mo Money went to a wedding? That's the most randomest thing ever.
It's not Andrew Mo Money. Well, unless you want to give him money, it's Andrew No Money with an N.
That's like one of the most randomest comments I've ever read.
So anybody on stamps.com? If you do, you're a happy person this morning.
They got acquired. What was the ticker? STMP, right?
STMP, Sierra Tango Mike Papa.
Pence. There we go. So what they get acquired for a share? 330.
330, 6.6 billion with a B dollars going private.
Damn.
Yeah. I saw another one that I used to follow a lot. It went through a major jump too, and I can't remember what the ticker was now.
Morning, William. We still haven't convinced Rob to hop on the Doge.
I'm shorting it. Does that count?
He's shorting Doge.
I'm also shorting William Williams, so you know.
My entire portfolio is a bag. I'm bored waiting for this market to crash. Doge is still at 22 cents. What's Bitcoin at? 33 still. It won't leave that 30 range. AMC still seeing some resistance here.
I read somewhere yesterday or day before yesterday. Who was that? I want to say it was Amazon that they think the new CEO might do a split. I think I read that. Was it Amazon?
Nvidia, no? No, that's all has been speculation. The split on Amazon has been speculation since last year.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think I read somewhere that they were speculating that the new CEO was going to take it, bring it down to where it's more affordable for everybody.
Oh, let's take a look.
Well, I mean, still, I think it's still speculation, but I think it would be a good thing. Not many people have the money to drop into Amazon.
Yeah,
Unless you want a partial share.
If this splits, it's gonna have a lot of more volume for sure, definitely.
Absolutely.
This would be like a Tesla day trade, honestly. The volatility on the stock, and it's a great stock. Amazon. I'd be all over this. There's just a lack of volatility on Amazon right now. It's not too appealing compared to like Tesla.
Right.
It's going the wrong way. It's coming down, man. It's not coming down to
like
$6.
I say, it'll come down to my $6 or $6.94.
That's not possible unless they just go bankrupt or something. AMC still seeing resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if AMC cracks 4670s. I would not be surprised if AMC just flushes. It's coming down. What's going on, Ben? I just logged into my wallet. Don't tell me your money's gone too. Oh, and I have
That is a coin he never owned.
We're 25K. Baby. What happened when, like, I don't know how that happens. Like how you just log into your wallet and there's like 25K in there.
$25,000?
Yeah. It's your lucky day, baby.
Cash it out, dude. Cash it out and run.
No one's going to be able to find that. Someone just lost 25K. I have no idea. I was sharing in Discord. Damn.
Cash it out, Ben. Run, dude. Run.
Let's check the Discord.
Roll it over into GME and AMC, dude. Didn't ban you, but I did put you in timeout.
No, you're still here, chicken. Timeout is just 300 seconds. GameStop 187. So I think
Think
GameStop
about the
will hold
comments you
support at
made.
180s. 180 support for GameStop looks pretty ideal just off of technicals. AMC is still holding 47, man. Get out of there. No, I'm not invested in any water stocks.
Angry, you trying to get yourself in a timeout too? You want to retract that real quick before I put you in a timeout?
Morning, Colleen. Carver's coming down. Clover, Wendy's. Yeah, Wendy's is green today at least.
All right, you earned it then.
Let's check Discord. I want to see that. Oh, Ben hasn't sent it.
Man, Darth, really? You too, huh?
Ah.
Enjoy your 5-minute break.
Oh man. Oh, he sent it. What in the world?
What?
He's not lying. Look at this. He has some Moon Pirate. Let's do a little portfolio dissection here. All right, he has some Moon
Oh,
Pirate, right? He has Baby Doge, which I'm pretty sure William's gonna be excited about that. He has some TCT. I don't know what that is. Safe Moon, of course, the Portnoy favorite, and of course the $25,000 coin, which I don't
wow.
I don't know what this is either. MNEB.
Moon baby or whatever.
So you just woke up, logged in, and there's an extra 25K in your account. What do you do?
uh, Me, I'm cashing it in.
That's your CA down payment right there.
It's not like you can call up anybody and go, I don't know where this came from.
It's crypto. Uh, you can't go to anybody.
I mean, you could cash in some and ride the rest up.
I mean, it's technically free, so you don't lose anything. If you just hold it, it's like finding a Bitcoin in your account. You're not losing anything. Ride it back to 50K, 60, 100K. Baby Doge is the offspring of Robert and Doge. What? Maybe it's a
Yeah,
virus.
well, then William, be glad that you're a mod.
William has power. Maybe it's a virus.
He'd be sitting in timeout too.
Wait a minute. He brought Lousy Pictures brought up a good point. Maybe it's a virus. He cashes it out and they steal his portfolio. Is that possible?
That's what I was fixing to ask before William, before we got onto the William subject. I was kind of curious. Is it even possible?
Is that bait? Hmm. I've never even heard of
Well,
this coin.
but how would that be? Because I mean, all right, if your wallet, if your uh, uh, vendor broker exchange, how could that be? Because there shouldn't be anything linked to your holdings. I wouldn't think. Would it?
Repeat that. I'm kind of confused of your question.
Well, if it's going through the exchange, so there would have to be some. I don't think that's even possible.
The blockchain, like the people who verify it, the miners.
Yeah, I mean, they would have to insert a virus in there somehow. There's no tracking that stuff.
I'm looking up the coin right now. Let's see. MNEB. Yeah, it's legit. I mean, it looks legit. 1.2 million registered holders. Hmm. I have 100 billion in safe space. That's interesting. Keep us updated on that, Ben. Diddy's
So
doing the dead cat.
it's lottery winnings.
Executive orders trending. Biden calls for efforts to lower drug prices as part of the executive order to foster competition. That reminds me of speaking of lowering drug prices, do you remember that guy Martin Shkreli, I believe his name was? Do you guys remember that?
I know of a guy
Shkreli.
named Martin Short.
No. I don't know who that is. Hate watching AMC just slough off. It's still holding support at 47. I mean, the lower it trades here near the lows at 47, I think there's a higher chance of it coming down under, like 246, 45. But right now it's still holding pretty decently. All it takes is a reversal and then we're back up. But like I said, I don't, not, it's not looking too bullish right now.
Well, I like that early morning recovery, but yeah, it kind of sold off immediately right after that. I
Hmm.
would have liked to have seen some strength and holding it up there, the 48.50.
Like yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday was just nuts. There was some covering for sure. Speaking of covering, let's pull up Rob's favorite software, Ortex.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's just the volume, Nathan. You're spot on that. Like Rob mentioned for GameStop as well. It's just the volume, man.
I mean, I like seeing low volumes on popular stocks because when good news comes out, it should trigger, some buying pressure. But yeah,
Oh, 19% SI for AMC. We were at 18 for a couple days. Now we're up to 19%. Interesting. Let's go to GameStop. $9 SI.
yeah, that's bullshit.
Yeah, 9% seems really low.
My numbers indicate much higher than that. But anyway.
Any GameStop catalyst coming?
The next catalyst would be what the next quarterly, if not some kind of announcement about the NFT stuff, not necessarily as a dividend, but just bringing it online and testing it out. Um,
Wasn't there a website already for that?
hmm?
The website, this website? Was this actually GameStop's website or did somebody else come out and troll?
Oh, that's GameStop. Yeah, that's GameStop. But yeah, we're just waiting to see. We're waiting for them to go ahead and issue their first NFT. And there's conjecture out there that it's going to be as a shareholder dividend. I think they're better off putting NFTs out there and seeing what kind of popularity they can generate out of it first, um, before they go ahead and issue that. Because if they're issuing NFTs as tradable, collectible type things, then I think if they were to issue one as a shareholder dividend, I think there's less legal challenge behind it for the SEC and everybody else. I think that would be the way to go with it myself.
Mm.
And yeah, you're out of timeout, Darth. But the thing that, the overstock.com went through years of litigation over how they did their shareholder dividend NFT. I think if GameStop brings out collectible, tradable type stuff, I think they would reduce, if not outright, get rid of any litigation possibilities.
Hmm. So that crypto NFT would just pretty much be the trigger.
Yeah.
I mean,
And
even
I mean, it would
Ryan
be,
Cohen.
it would still be a few months. It would still be a few months down the road, I think. But the thing about GameStop is they blew away the numbers on their last quarterly as far as what was expected. And I think if they do another quarter like that, and the price maintains and holds, I think that Wall Street's going to have to give a different look at all of this stuff.
We're looking for September earnings, so we're not that far out.
No, it's not. I mean, month and a half, maybe 2 months, but it boils down to it. It's if they get back-to-back quarters of just beat beats on everything, I think Wall Street's gonna have to take another look at what's going on.
But a lot of the analysts are not even covering GameStop anymore. Some of them aren't.
Yeah, but the ones that aren't, I don't really care, because they're probably short anyway or tired of losing money.
Like
They've
Melvin.
been playing it. Screw them.
I mean, Ryan Cohen has been still hinting about Moon. Did you see his Lego tweet the other day?
Yeah, I brought it up on the Discord because nobody else was talking about it. I was like, hey, why nothing? And then I can't remember, somebody yelled at me because, it's just been me and one other person all week. Where you been? I'm like, yeah, go bite me. I have a life.
It was the Moon. Wait a minute.
It was the moon, and actually a really rather accurate depiction of the chart
Was it
with
this?
some
I didn't see this.
projection. Yeah,
Where did they find this at?
it's an accurate. I mean, if you look at that first
That looks
peak,
like
that's
GameStop.
January.
Yeah.
If you look at the second one, that's March. And so this is what they're predicting, the ladder going up.
That looks like, so based off of their charts, we have,
Yeah.
this is January. The second spike here is like March. And then we have
Uh-huh.
May. So that's three. When's the next one? Earnings? Interesting.
That would be right about earnings time.
Yeah,
You
look
wouldn't,
at how they crossed the exit
if you're
sign.
looking at the spacing.
They crossed the exit sign. And then there's like a little monkey or a little ape right here.
Yeah, don't exit. Stay with it, because this is where we're going. And look at that. That one in September is higher than even January, and then the one even further off is much higher. So yeah,
Interesting. I wonder where they got this at. Lego ideas? Hmm. Yeah. Next specs in August, just look at the options chain for GameStop. Have you taken a look, Rob, at the options chain for GameStop?
oh, I haven't. No, I haven't looked on GameStop. No, I mean, I was back when when we were hovering at 200 and dropped down to, what was it, 177 a couple of days ago. I went and looked, and actually I was seeing a lot of puts even lower. I wasn't seeing many calls. Wasn't seeing much volume on the call side of it. So I mean, that drop we had was pretty much all the puts that were put in. No, it was actually I was reading up on somebody's question. I was giving some thought to it. Do I think a market? You think a market crash would crush GameStop or trigger MOAS? I don't think it'll trigger MOAS. I think it'll trigger a squeeze. Squeeze might develop into a MOAS, but in all honesty, guys, I don't. You hear, 100 and some odd percent. You hear 300%. You hear people saying 1 billion shares. Synthetics out there. And no. I'm real conservative in my numbers when as I maintain them, and honestly, I think we've only got maybe 50 to 65% short interest overall of outstanding shares. Now, if you want to translate that over to float, that comes to 3 to 4 times the float, maybe. But I don't deal with it that way. I count outstanding shares because the institutionals are going to get out. They're going to take their money and run too. They're not locked. A lot of the institutionals are not locked into, oh, you got to hold these shares for a year or any time period. They can exit anytime they want. So I count it as when I sit there and look at short interest and stuff like that, I count it against the outstanding authorized.
This is interesting. Take a look at the GameStop calls for August 13. There's no calls past 217.50. Does that have to do with the current price action that we're seeing right now?
No, I think that has more to do with. I think that's going to be more to do with the new legislation coming or new regulations coming online. Nobody knows what it's going to do, and everybody's worried about, all the hedge funds and banks are worried about what they're going to have to do as far as making sure they stay solvent.
42 total open call contracts for GameStop for August 13. 42. So that pretty much disregards the potential of a gamma squeeze, right? That's just.
Yeah, there's nothing going to be
There's no
happening
way.
around that time. No, it's not going to be a gamma squeeze. If any type of movement there is going to be basically covering it. If there's some hedge funds out there that start getting into a situation where they got to come up with money or something, then that's going to be covering.
So that's the short squeeze.
Right.
AMC still 47, man. What a weird morning. How are the indices? Let's take a look. How's the heat map? Fairly mixed. SPY's going for that new high. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. NASDAQ barely even down. Apple hit a new high. Jeez. Short Apple.
Short William Williams. I bet I could. I would bet I could go to Vegas and get a bet against him somehow, some way. Vegas, you can bet anything.
Against William. Oh, man. Let's go back to Twitter. Tom Hanks. Why are we trending Tom Hanks? Oh, it's his birthday. 50 of California's 58 counties now face a drought emergency. It's not good. Come on, AMC. Come on. It's not convincing me. AMC's not convincing me today just yet. Still kind of dangling here at 47. We need to push back to 49. Put Robert Brown and Doge with her baby Doge in Vegas wearing matching Doge outfits. He didn't let me wear the spacesuit to the GameStop convention.
I wouldn't let you.
It doesn't make me walk home.
You were gonna walk there if you tried to even wear it.
Been accumulating.
Granted, and we weren't that far away. We were only like 2 miles away, so you could have made it. You just had to leave out a lot earlier.
Crossing Boomer Jacks and Saltgrass. We
Hey,
have
you like Saltgrass Steakhouse?
Saltgrass is good. Boomer Jacks was actually pretty good too. We have received so much
It
rain
was
since the
okay.
GameStop stockholder meeting.
I would have rather gone over to Saltgrass though.
Yeah, Sawgrass was good. The portions I can when they say everything's bigger in Texas, they ain't lying.
Well, we're not New York or California. When people want to eat, we think they actually want to eat when they say they're hungry. If you can eat a steak in 2 bites, it ain't a steak.
2 bites? Oh boy.
Ralph, you've been to some of those restaurants where there's more plate than there is food.
Yep. There's more plate than there is food.
I mean, at Saltgrass, it didn't have that issue.
And it costs you twice as much. Have you guys looked into the Nancy Pelosi insider trading she's been doing? That's insane. I think her
Well,
husband.
insider, I don't think so. Now, is her? I think her husband's actually responsible for all those trades.
Yeah.
Now, is he getting tips? Probably, possibly. It's hard to say.
Well,
But I mean, in all honesty, there's times when if you were to follow politicians' trades, oh, you'd be making bank. So how the hell do they know?
I mean, he cashed in like $5 million in Amazon calls or some Nvidia calls, I believe.
I think it was Nvidia before after the split, yeah, and then they announced a split. So that was interesting.
Before, I remember it was Roblox. Pelosi was the one that was actually trading Roblox before. Jeez. GameStop 190. I like to see that.
Oh, lousy pictures. I'm sorry, sir, but you weren't you. I don't know where you're eating in Texas, but okay.
Wait,
I'll
what?
take my 16. I'll take my 16 and 20-ounce steaks out here. Now, if you want a true challenge, um, what was it? Amarillo Texan, I think, is what it was. The 100-ounce
Oh, I knew you were gonna say
steak.
that. That was
Yeah,
at
that then
Sawgrass, no?
no, no. That then you got to eat all the gristle and everything with that. Then I would agree with you on that one. But um, yeah, you need to come out to Texas and eat at some of our better steakhouses,
Wait,
or just at my house because there's no gristle.
64 ounce or 100 ounce?
64 ounces the ladies version. 100 ounces the men.
Wait, is a 100 ounce steak a lot, anyways? I feel like that's 100 ounce steak. Let's see.
Pretty sure it was. I might be wrong on the size of it. Let's see.
That looks like a nothing burger. Feel like we should do that challenge one time.
Oh, 72 ounce. 72 ounce for the men, and then the women have a smaller requirement.
I probably wouldn't finish a 22 ounce bone and rib. Oh, it's in under an hour?
Yeah. And you're sitting up on a stage and you get all the bread, you get all the fixings too, bread, baked potato. And it's not just the steak you have to eat. I think you pretty much have to clean everything. Yeah.
And it's like an ounce a
Salad, baked
minute.
potato, shrimp cocktail, and
You have to eat
72
everything
ounce.
too? No, see, that's already next level. I thought it was just only the steak.
Oh, no, it's everything.
China asks websites platforms to ban downloads of 25DD apps. Update. There we go. I'll bring a blender and drink the steak.
And what if you identify as a woman? Oh, good God. Do not bring those politics to Texas.
We're all going to
We'll,
Texas, baby.
there's,
Everybody from
there's
Cali.
not a whole lot of trees up in Amarillo, but we'll find one.
Oh. ALF. I forgot about ALF. This one kind of died down too. No, actually, no. It's still volume wise, yes. Price wise, it's still holding there at 15. Not too bad. Up 8% today. But look at the price action. It's barcodey ish. I don't like it.
And yep, you got it. Rule number one: you have to eat it all, including the fat and gristle. And I just can't do that.
72-ounce steak dinner challenges include shrimp cocktail, baked potato salad, roll butter, and of course, the 72-ounce steak. I feel like if you just roll one up before, or you get a good workout and wait like 2 hours, you should be good. It's all mental.
And if you can't finish it, well, you're only you only have to pay for the $100. Basically, it's about $100 for the entire thing. But then you've got leftovers for next couple of days.
What happens if
All
you
the
do
steak
finish
sandwiches.
it? What do you win?
Huh? Well, you don't have to pay for the meal, and you get your picture taken and a T-shirt. Your
So if I
picture
could
get.
eat all of that every day, I could eat for free for the rest of my life.
Huh?
If I go there every day and I complete the challenge, would it?
Every day.
Yeah.
I don't know that they have a disclaimer in there that says you can't do it more than once.
There you go. Free food for life, baby. You probably get like
Oh, they
cholesterol or
changed the
something.
rule because it used to be you had to eat everything.
You die in 5 years. Probably.
Well, it would still be for life, though. You know,
Right? I ate free for 5 years.
you know. And if you've ever seen the size of those steaks, this thing is huge.
I pulled up pictures right now. It didn't look too bad. Eating that much red meat means you'll never have to poop again. So you save money on toilet paper as well.
Sure, there you go. See, look at the size of this steak over in the video. Like, good God Almighty!
Not too bad.
Oh, damn, Garden, that's wrong. That's wrong. Uh,
You have to wait every day. I'm buying STK as we speak. I don't know what that is. Don't know if you, I'm not sure if you meant steak or STK stock.
Well, he didn't put a dollar sign in front of it, so it wasn't a stock ticker.
Just search on YouTube. I see tons of skinny Japanese girls eating 4 kilograms of steak. I'm sure I can do it. Hmm. Is it like those eating channels on YouTube where they just eat a lot of food, like in huge amounts, like the crab legs and all that stuff?
There's obviously some kind of following for that. I don't know why. I'm not interested in watching people eat.
I swear they have millions of views. Like people are fascinated by that actually. Like I think it's like some ASMR type of scenario going on. Like I could just never.
Garth, they don't have 22-ounce bone-in ribeyes in California. They have maybe 4-ounce bone-in ribeyes, which means it's mostly ribeye bone.
22 ounce. There's actually a Fleming's here in Pasadena. I'll probably finish a 22 ounce. We're gonna have to live
He'd
stream
have
that.
he'd have to come to Texas for that, or anywhere but California or New York. Well, I guess he could go upstate New York because they actually have food up there.
I'm a truck driver. Um, I was in Texas and I tried eating that and failed.
I was too. I retired last year. Man, it might be 2 years ago now.
The real good Japanese girl fills mouth with me videos aren't on YouTube. Oh boy.
Oh man. Okay, so we have a bunch of adolescents today.
AMC 47 still, man. Ah. See now I want steak. Is it bad to have steak for breakfast?
Oh hell no. As you know, if it don't go moo, I don't eat it. So
If it don't go moo, Rob doesn't go. Oh man. What a morning. What a morning. Yeah, I was thinking of steak and eggs, but I don't know. So I feel like that'd be heavy. You'd just be like tired and sluggish and you just want to sleep.
oh hell no.
No?
Oh hell no. No, it's all protein. Why would it be heavy? Why would you be tired? It's protein.
I don't know. That day we went to when you and I went to Sawgrass, you and I were sleepy. You almost fell asleep driving because of the portion
No.
sizes. It just makes you feel and the weather out there is ridiculous. I couldn't
Dude,
stand it, guys. What do you think, Rob? What do you think? What do you think Rob naps all the time? Food coma, yes. We literally walked out of Sawgrass with a food coma. Oh man. AMC's been trying to break that trend line. $50 is where the resistance is at, and we're still at 47 testing support.
at least it has support today.
Right? Oh man, these last couple of days have been pretty brutal. At least the blood has stopped for 3 consecutive days. Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, and Thursday. Four
Yeah.
actually. It was just blood.
Yeah. I mean, it's been a bloody week for AMC.
What is it down? Let's see, Monday. Oh, I forgot the market wasn't open Monday. 13%, something like that. Yeah, we're probably gonna end the stream here. When was our last green Friday? I don't know. Maybe we'll still close green. It's not too far deep in the red for AMC. If it can hold 47 today, I think it'll probably close green towards the market close. Oh man.
Wait, where are you at in Texas, Angry? I'm gonna guess Houston.
Let's all go to Texas. Rob doesn't want us out there. He says we're too crazy. Lubbock?
Lubbock? Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. Okay. Yeah, he's out there at Texas Tech. Plenty of places to go shooting out there, though. Just don't shoot a rancher's cow.
The Texas Cali boys. Texas just legalized silencers, really?
No, no, Colleen. He needs to come down here and float the Guadalupe or the Comal.
I'll post a pic in the Discord of the steaks I'll grill up this weekend. I'll plug in
There
the
you
free
go.
Discord link. We're always there in the Discord. Sports bets, everything, you name it. Crypto.
Actually, C3D, we've always been able to purchase silencers legally. They were never illegal.
Lousy Picture says, I'm sorry, Rob, but I'd like to see Texas crack off and sink into the ocean.
Well, if it wasn't because Oklahoma sucks so bad, we probably would. But Oklahoma does really suck hard. So
Yeah, we do have a food channel in the Discord.
wait a minute, Colleen, you're in the New Braunfels area. Oh, I don't know that they can do that. Oh, Bernie. Okay, I'm over here at Canyon Lake, so we ain't too far apart. I got a friend that lives out in Bernie, old coworker. Call him, see what he's up to. Oh, I know where you're talking about floating. Oh, okay, I know exactly where you're talking about floating the Frio. All right, my ex goes up there with some friends.
All right, we're probably going to end it here. Market's open Monday, right? It's no like holiday or anything. Nope.
Yeah, no holiday that I know of.
A short week this week. No markets Monday. We'll resume back on Monday. I'll catch up with you guys in the Discord. Thank you, Rob, for being with us again. It's always a good time with you.
Yeah, no problem. Well, basic. Hey, one more thing. Angry. Ammunition and guns made in Texas don't have to be registered either. So, that's another great thing. I mean, we're like, we tell the federal government to go shove it up your ass because if we're not planning on shipping them across state lines, doesn't have to have, the ammunition doesn't have to have little tags in it, and the guns don't have to be registered if I remember right. All right, I'm done.
All right,
I can
Rob.
continue this
Okay.
little chat with Angry in Discord.
I'll catch up with you guys in Discord.
All right, later, guys. Have a
Peace
good
out, Rob.
weekend.
Have a good one. Let's see. No, you guys are not allowed to sell. What are you guys doing? It's your guys' money, but I'm in control. Of course, you guys can do whatever you guys want. If you guys are making money, I'm happy. You guys are winning. That's what we're here for, to win. Italy, Argentina. I'm going for Italy, baby. England, I'm sorry, the cup is not coming home. The finals on Sunday. Argentina and Brazil tomorrow for the final as well. Different cups. So I got Argentina and I got Italy. Probably gonna put a parlay. So we'll be in the Discord. I feel like getting steak now. Steak sounds good now. All right, guys. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your weekend. I'll catch up with you guys in the Discord. We leave you with GameStop being at 189. AMC still being at 47. It's still teasing the lows, but it hasn't came down yet. And Tesla's just being boring at 650. So, Italy has no defense. Are you kidding me? Chiellini and Bonucci, they've been playing together since 2010, I believe. They've been center back since 2010. Italy has actually, I don't think they conceded a goal in like 20 of their games or something like that. Italy didn't even lose in their last 30 games. Steak and eggs. I don't know. I feel like it made me groggy or sleepy, and I probably just wouldn't want to do anything for the rest of the day. So, that being said, I'll see you guys on Monday morning. I'll bring in the Discord. Peace out, everybody.